am Shaikakram. You are seeing JK's Technology. So today I am going to unbox this laptop, Lenovo S145. This is the mid-range and budgeted laptop model which you can unbox, and this has all the good specs. This is an customized laptop. So let's unbox it. So this is the box of the laptop. So this has a model written over here. This is Lenovo S145, and this is only one unit. And here it has some what is this, QR code and Lenovo branding over here. So let's open this box now. So they have a nice safety over here. First you get your laptop here. So let's keep it aside for 2 minutes. And other content, you get a compartment. Inside that you get a charger. This is the normal charger, and you get a regular pin over here of a laptop charging. I like this charger because this does not have that old charger like structure. So this is a charger with 45 volts charging capacity. So now let's go towards laptop. So this is a laptop. Let's remove this thermocol. So here you get a IPS HD full HD display. I really like the display quality personally. So here you get this display, very nice. So let's see its specs now. Pause. Today I am going to talk about the build quality of this laptop. First of all, you get aluminum coverage on both the side. No, only front side. It has aluminum front and silver, you can say bakelite plastic back over here. And you get Windows 10 DOS-key version and Lenovo branding on the top. And let's highway over here, Safai. Now let's turn it on. This is on sleep. Now I am going to talk about the specs of this laptop. And first of all, let's talk about the mousepad and keyboard of this laptop. The keyboard of the laptop I like personally because it is very comfortable and nice and very responsive keys. It is soft to touch and it does not make any sounds. And if we talk about the mousepad over here, then mousepad we get of medium size. If you go in Apple MacBook, you get very big one, but it is medium size, no problem. Here you get AMD A6 processor over here, and this is IdeaPad S145. I told you in the starting of the video. So the specs here we get is Windows 10 Home, that is single language. उससे तब कोई फर्क नहीं. Windows 10 Home है, professional नहीं है. And processor you get is AMD A6 and of 9th gen because it is 9225. That's why it is 9th gen. 4GB RAM, this much usable. It is 64-bit operating system, no pen, no touch. And this is all this.